Hello there! Today's ride, I'm gonna ride upriver. I'm meeting up with my Uncle Will. I haven't seen him in a few years, so it'll be good catching up. But first, I got to change my shoes, put on the old brain bucket, hit the road. Take a look at the size of that crane. Finally had some drone footage. One thing I remember about old Uncle Will, he was a snappy dresser and he always had great facial hair. So I'm hoping that my memory serves correct and he's still that way. I haven't stopped yet to appreciate this badass machine. If you're wondering if I still am in love with this bike, yes. Yes, I am. I do wonder what Uncle Will's gonna say about my new fandangle bike. Like, carbon fiber, is it necessary? You whippersnappers in your face space and carbon fiber bikes back in my day. Port Byron. Port Byron, my heart's on fire. Port Byron. All right, I rode through back there, and that's where we're supposed to meet. So I think I got to double back. I didn't see him, so like I said, we'll double back and see if he's just running late. There he is, Uncle Will. His name is Will B. Rowland. My name's Scott Rowland. Yeah, you just watched all this for a cheesy joke. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you feel like leaving a comment, go ahead and do so. Till next time, Will and I say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Giddy up, papa, mow, mow. Giddy up, papa, mow, mow.